There are two ways to update your Garmin watch. For the first method, you can update directly using your phone. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone and make sure it's paired with your watch. When a new software version is available, the app will sync the update to your watch and prompt you to update now. Just tap to confirm and wait for the watch to complete the installation automatically. If it doesn't update automatically, you can go to Settings, System, Software Update on your watch to check if auto update is turned on, or to check your current version. And of course, make sure to keep your Garmin Connect app updated as well. The second method is updating via your computer, in addition to watch software updates. If your watch has built-in maps, you'll also need to use this method to update them. Search for Garmin Express in your browser, install it, and open the app. Connect your watch to the computer using a USB cable, and Garmin Express will show if there are any available updates. Click Install All to update everything, including your maps, to the latest version. Remember to keep Garmin Express updated as well.